How to reactivate your Instagram account. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reactivate it and get back into your account. First, open the Instagram app or go to the Instagram sign-in page. Enter the username, email address, or phone number associated with your Instagram account. Next, enter your password. If you've forgotten your password, tap Forgot Password and follow the steps to reset it. Once you've entered your login details, tap Login. If your account was only temporarily deactivated, logging back in will generally reactivate it. If Instagram shows a message that your account has been disabled, you may need to follow the instructions shown on the screen to appeal the decision. Simply logging in may not reactivate a disabled account. And that's it. That's how you can reactivate a temporarily deactivated Instagram account. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Instagram tips and tutorials.